Hello, are you enjoying? Okay, so today topic I am going to take which is Fevicol texture. Okay, see when we do our design and all, in that we don't do these different texture techniques. We don't get, means we don't get that freedom. But now we are doing something fun with colors and texture techniques. So this is Fevicol texture. I'll teach you and you will do it, you will enjoy it, right? So see, for Fevicol texture you require paper, design, whatever you are going to draw, design on that, then Fevicol, okay, and colors, coloring material, okay. So here I did some designs, you will see, here I did Om, okay. I put outline with Fevicol, and in that with Fevicol I did circular, means this Fevicol I put circular and filled this full Om inside, right? You will get texture on this, right? So like this I did. Whatever texture you want, with that you can fill your forms, okay. I will show you some examples. Because Fevicol it will take time for dry, at least 4-5 hours. Now in this season, summer season, at least 4-5 hours you have to keep for dry. Here is one design I did, like photo frame. Here I did one square and around that I did Fevicol design. You will see. Are you getting? Shiny you are getting? Right? So like this I did. Maximum examples I want to show you so that you will get idea. Here I did one flower pot and full outline with flower plot I did. Here also I put Fevicol. After dry I am getting this result. Okay. Here I did flowers. On that I put outline with Fevicol. First you complete drawing with pencil and then on that you do lines with Fevicol. You will see. Somewhere I got thick line because Fevicol it's liquid. So definitely you will get thick line, thin line, whatever you are getting line, it looks nice after coloring. So just put outline with Fevicol. Keep it for 4 or 5 hours for drying. Okay. So this way you can complete outline. Now here I did many like this. Even this is simple leaf which I did. Get it? Because of it is shiny. Now you'll get clear. Right? So like this, more different leaf I did, which I am going to color now. I'll show you how to color it. See, I did 2 leaf, nice shape, and on that I put outline with Fevicol. And after dry I am getting like this. Okay, I will show you one example and then we will start coloring. See, here you take any type of paper, whatever you want. Waste paper always I keep with me. On that even you can do different designs, you can use it different way. Okay, now here I am doing one simple leaf. Are you getting? Even center line and these lines. See. Okay. Now with Fevicol I'll put outline and then we can do it's all over we will do Fevicol outline. So students, we will put outline all over on the leaf. Are you getting? Sometime it will come thick also, it's okay. All over you complete. Okay. See, when it's coming thick, thin, that time only it becomes very interesting after dry. So this design after outline, I'm showing the small one, okay, but you have to do nice design, peacock design or something, flower pot like this, something which I showed just now. So with this technique you will complete outline with Fevicol and then keep it for dry for 4 to 5 hours, okay. Then after dry you will get like this. See, here already I have done. After dry you will get like this. Are you getting? So now I will show you its coloring, how it looks. Now this is green color. I will take 2 different shades of green with yellow mixing, okay. First one, this bigger one, I will do with dark green and yellow mixing. See, now here I am using watery color. After coloring you will get that texture. Use watery color, spread it. If you have acrylic color, you use those colors, that even gives very nice effect. I'll add little yellow in that. One side I am using yellow color. Now which lines are there, no, near that, if you apply dark color, lines will look relief and that's very nice effect you'll get. Watery color, just apply, spread it on the line. Even you have to do outside line is there, no, on that even you have to do it. See, maximum lines you will do, it looks very nice. After color, after dry this, more work we will do on that. Now I am taking another leaf that is also in lighter color. Here you are learning shades of one color also. Here is dark green, here is light green with Fevicol texture. So always you have to try like these shades, light, medium, dark, darkest. This is our basic coloring. Now with pointed brush and make thick dark color shade of green. Okay, now details we will complete. On bigger one leaf we will make details. See which lines are relief Fevicol lines. On that I will just little somewhere I will put my dark. If you want, you can color it below also. See, somewhere I'll show you below also. This is color line, Fevicol line. So below I am doing, means lines will look light and leaf will be dark. Spread it. As you know, while coloring, freely you have to color. You will learn many things in color mixing even. So same way again, light, medium, dark, darkest, you will complete your leaf. You know, color mixing also you are getting with Fevicol texture. I will show you this light one. With little medium. I will leave now Fevicol lines and below I will color for this leaf. I am leaving lines. Now if you have sparkle, when it is wet, you can put sparkle. You can make frame for this. Like this you can complete your coloring. One nice greeting card you will get with this technique. Now I'll fill background with light blue. Now even blue color I will use different way, not straight, with texture, something. I'll create some different texture. If you want, you can do Fevicol texture in this box even, and that you color. Here I am using little dark color and then I'll spread it. When dark color will come below, exactly below the leaf, you'll get like shadow. Even here below this I'll put dark color and spread it with this technique. If you want Fevicol texture you can make. See, however you want you can hold it. Got it? If you have more time, you can make more texture on this. You can put little sparkle when Fevicol texture you make. make put little sparkle. So with your ideas you can make more creative. Okay, so do it.